Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I am DM and for today's video, I am going to unbox a Christmas gift that I received from my boyfriend, Jandel. I'm pretty sure you're already curious what is it. It's actually the latest Osmo Mobile SE 2022 and he bought it at the official DJI store located in Mall of Asia, Pasay City, Philippines. Now, if you're wondering how much will it cost you if you're going to buy one, the cost or the price for this one is 5,190 pesos only. So what's the purpose of Osmo Mobile SE 2022 or GIMBAL? You usually utilize it to stabilize and support your camera, which in turn can help you shoot your videos smoothly. Now, this device actually has 6 major features. The first one is that it has a 3-axis stabilization. The second is that it has a magnetic design wherein you can attach your phone easily. And also, one thing that I like most about it is that it is portable as well as foldable. The next one is it has a active track 5.0 system on it. And the fifth one, it has a easy tutorial and one-time editing. And lastly, you can easily roll your camera without any difficulty because it has a quick roll setup. Since this is the first ever unboxing video that I'm going to upload, definitely I'll be needing some help from my supportive boyfriend. So now let's try to check if I'll be able to assemble it as to how it was being demonstrated to me a while ago. The first thing that you need to do is like to attach your phone on this magnetic clamp. Make sure that you use some force in order to perfectly fit this magnetic clamp on the phone. The next thing that you need to do is to make sure that this logo, DJI logo, as well as the other DJI logo is attached to each other. There you go. Did you hear that sound? Amazing, right? And the next thing, all right, for you that you need to do is to push this side upwards. There you go. And then once you've done that, oh no, push the M or the power on button. Oh. Ah, what happened? There you go. I don't know. Hang on. I'm still trying to figure this out. Alright, so am I doing it properly? No. Yes. Okay. I need to. Okay. Oh no. Why? What happened? There you go. There you go. Oh. Okay, so let's say I want to take a selfie. Horizontal. There. Okay. And for you to like make sure for you to be able to take a photo or record a video, you just need to push the orange button. It's below the power off and on button. So let's try. There you go. So yeah, that's it. That's how you use it. Definitely, I'm not yet a pro, so I need to like figure things out on how to fully utilize all of the functions. But later on this video, you'll be able to see a much more upfront switches and to know what I'm talking about. So these are the buttons that you'll be seeing once you have your own gimbal. The first thing that you'll see is the M button. This M button stands for power off, power on. The orange one, or the circular orange one, is called as the shutter or record button, used for taking photos as well as record videos. Now the third button in here, the lowest one, is called as the switch button. You'll use that if you want to switch between front and rear cameras as well as landscape and portrait mode. Now the joystick here, definitely you're gonna use that once you want to turn around your phone, either upwards, downwards, sidewards. The next thing, the one that you have in here at the side, is called as the zoom slider. Of course, you'll be able to zoom in and zoom out without touching your phone by just pressing that one. And the last button that you'll see is called as the trigger button. Why trigger button? It is because you just need to press that thing once to start the active track system. So that's that. That's all of the buttons that you'll be seeing. Plus, of course, you need to attach the tripod in any case that you'd like to have an extension or a stable platform for your gimbal. And that's it. That's the GIMBAL Osmo Mobile SE 2022.